Welcome back to Overheat. Brabus Motorhome 2026, elegance on wheels for your travels. The exterior features improved aerodynamics with redesigned front and rear fascias that may include a diffuser and roof spoiler. Exclusive wheels, the focal point will be the recognizable Brabus monoblock forged alloy wheels, which come in a range of sizes and finishes. Advanced LED lighting, excellent visibility and attractiveness are guaranteed by a complete LED lighting system for the headlights, taillights, and other external lighting. High-end external features include an integrated automatic awning, roomy, easily accessible outside storage spaces, and perhaps a modular roof rack system for transporting extra equipment. Interior, modular layout. Although Brabus motorhomes are typically custom-built, it is possible to provide a modular layout that may be adjusted to meet specific requirements. Superior materials. Brabus is known for using only the best materials: kitchen, full-size refrigerator, freezer, stainless steel sink, microwave convection oven, induction cooktop, and lots of storage space, comfortable sleeping area, a top-notch mattress, personal reading lights, and perhaps an integrated entertainment system will all be included in the bed. Technology for smart homes. All of the motorhome's features, including the entertainment, security, lighting, and temperature, will be controlled by an integrated touch-sensitive control system. Strong cellular and Wi-Fi connectivity will be available, along with a top-notch entertainment system that includes a flat-screen TV. Better engine performance. Brabus will provide notable engine performance enhancements, raising the Mercedes-Benz diesel engine's horsepower and torque if it is based on the Sprinter. Better suspension. Brabus' meticulously adjusted suspension system will offer more stability and a more comfortable ride. Advanced braking system. With increased stopping force, Brabus's upgraded braking system will guarantee maximum safety. Exclusive branding. A limited edition numbered plaque and carefully positioned Brabus emblems on the outside and inside will highlight the car's uniqueness.